Hi, Bio11A, and welcome to week 3. I spent some time grading your work yesterday. I really enjoyed that, actually. Your molecules were amazing. I had everything from salami to rocks to eggs to candy, making those molecules, and they look great. It's a really good hands-on exercise, so I'm glad you completed that, and it was really successful. The bees also, that was an interesting study, and I saw that many of you came up with a lot of different designs. And yeah, that's what it takes in research to do all that work of how do I eliminate what the variable is here. And the interesting thing there was that those fungicides don't particularly affect an adult bee. What happens is that it affects the food that they're feeding their young. So that was the major detail there, that if you eliminate that fungus from that larval food, it's, the little baby bees, those larvae, they are then affected, and then populations are crashing because of that lack of growth of those colonies. So very interesting that it's not the actual spraying of an adult, it's a detail that is affecting those colonies dramatically. And once we start to understand how it is that these different pesticides function, we get a much better idea of what we want to do next, how we can understand this, how they cannot be used at certain times, or how to manage this use of these different pesticides. So good job on that also. This week we move on to cells, and I think you'll do great on that. And yeah, keep up the great work. It's working well. Communicate with me if you need to. I've heard from some of you that have had trouble, and I think I've been able to solve that. So hang in there. We're on a roll. See you soon. Bye.